In order to change your Apple ID email on an iPad, you need to follow the simple steps. Go ahead, open your Settings application on your iPad first. Tap on your name at the top left to access your Apple account. Now go ahead and exit the settings and open Safari or any web browser that you prefer or you have. Then in the address bar, go to account.apple.com. You need to go ahead and sign into your Apple account first. Tap on email and phone numbers, and you will see your email address listed. Tap the line to the right of your email address and tap on this plus icon over here. Go ahead, enter a new email address or new desired Apple ID email address that you prefer, and then tap on continue and change the primary email. A verification code will be sent to your new email address. Enter the code to verify and change your email and change your Apple ID email. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.